In front of me is Nokia C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Sound. Following that, click on Vibrate Vocals right away and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. Then go back, tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and click on Vibrate if it's not already on. Then go back again, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Touch Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!